The Bell AH-1 Cobra, often referred to as the Huey Cobra or Snake, was a revolutionary design, being the first purpose-built attack helicopter developed for the United States Army. Unlike previous armed helicopters that were adaptations of utility models, the Cobra was designed from the ground up for the attack role. Its distinctive narrow fuselage, often described as thin, was designed to minimize its profile and reduce its vulnerability to ground fire. This sleek design, coupled with a tandem cockpit configuration placing the gunner in the front and the pilot in the rear, maximized crew coordination and target engagement effectiveness. The Cobra provided crucial close air support during the Vietnam War. Its combination of firepower, maneuverability, and speed proved highly effective against enemy ground forces. The Cobra's armament typically included a chin turret mounting a multi-barrel Gatling gun or grenade launcher, as well as hardpoints for rockets and other ordnance. Over time, the Cobra underwent continuous development, with later versions incorporating enhancements for increased performance, payload capacity, and survivability in demanding combat environments. This evolution solidified its position as a primary attack helicopter in numerous conflicts around the world. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.